guys, today we're doing a tutorial of a string art wall hanging for a spiral design, and those are the materials you will need. Let's get right into it. So you're going to find the center of any size of the canvas that you have. I use the nail to find where I'll put my compass to draw a circle, and as usual I sharpen my pencil to get straight lines. You draw the circle. The size doesn't matter. So I'm going to mark and make points where I'll put my nails. And the distance in between each nail should be the same. So in this piece, I'm using 1 centimeter. You go through around the whole piece, marking 1 centimeter. And then now we are going to nail in those spots, in the points that you marked. Nail in the exact point where you marked on all the points around the circle. Yeah, that takes quite some time. Yeah, now we are done with the circle. It looks nice and sharp. Next, we are going to paint our canvas. I like to paint mine black, so I'm going to put the first layer with water. I put some paint in water so that the color black sinks in my canvas. So the first layer is over. I'm going to do a few more layers so it is all black. That is the second layer. I'm going to do that throughout the whole piece. Yeah, now we are done with that. Is like 3 or 4 layers of paint. Let it dry. After it has dried, you see it is all pale, so we need to put some finishing. So I use spray. I use spray paint so it gives me a shiny look. So you can see the difference between where there is just paint and where I have sprayed. You can see the difference, and it is a nice difference. You can see it's all shiny and cute and pretty. You also let that dry. And it's nice, you see. Let it dry. And then now you're going to design our piece. This design we're doing a spiral. So on this design you're going to go through 5 nails on your right. Skip 1 and 5. Then you're going to skip 1 nail, go to the next nail, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1 nail, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to do that throughout the whole piece. And on the left side, you're not going to skip any nail. You're going to go through each nail. You're not going to miss any. But on your right, you're going to do 5 nails. You're going to go through 5 nails. Skip 1, like that. for the rest of the piece. It is as simple as that. 4. Just turn the camera here, now we can see clearly. 5. Going to skip 1 nail, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And skip 1 nail. This other side, you see, we are not skipping any nail. Continue like that throughout the whole piece. See, it's starting to make a spiral. 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, I had forgotten that, man. Recording yourself and doing this work, it is crazy. Yo, pray for your girl. We continue doing that, going through 5 nails, skipping 1, while on the other side we do not skip any nail. We are going to do that for the rest of the piece. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip that. So what we're going to do when we reach here, we are going to push down the strings in all the nails we've put the strings. You're going to push it down so that you create space for the other layers, because we are going to go through these nails for at least 3 to 4 to 5 times in each nail. So you want to create space for the other layers so that they don't get entangled at the end of it all, and it looks nice and smooth on the edges. So we're going to do that around every layer you finish. You push down the strings. Every layer you finish, you push down the strings to create space for the next layer. Going to do that, and then we continue working. Here we are, the spiral is coming together. We continue doing that, 5 pieces, skipping 1, and then on the other side you don't skip a nail at all. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment. You tell me what you want me to talk about, which piece you would want me to do. You check, the shop is linked down in the description, so you can check out my shop and tell me which piece you would want me to do a tutorial for, and we will do just that. We continue doing this work, 5 nails, skipping 1. We continue. The piece is starting to come together, the spiral is coming, and you are seeing the design coming together. We are about to finish, and you're about to see a beautiful piece. It's coming together, you're about to finish. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share because we got more coming. Yes, guys, that is the piece. You guys, it is nice, turned out nice. We used gold and gold gives me good vibes. Yo, look at how beautiful it is. So nice. You definitely want this in your house. You'd gift it to your friend and he or she will be happy. Yo, check it out.